Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to duplicate video in CapCut. First, open your project and select the specific video clip you want to copy. Once selected, look for the copy icon in the editing toolbar, usually found at the bottom of your screen. Tapping this will copy the entire selected clip, preparing it for the next step in your editing process. This is a fundamental step for creating repeated segments or effects. After copying your clip, move the playhead to the precise spot on your timeline where you want the duplicate to appear. Then, simply tap the paste button. This action will insert the copied video segment directly at your playhead's position. You now have two identical clips on your timeline, allowing for creative repetition or the application of different effects to each instance. It's a quick and efficient way to expand your video content. An alternative, often faster method, is to select the video clip directly on your timeline. Once highlighted, scroll through the various options in the bottom menu. You will find a duplicate icon, which looks like two overlapping squares. Tapping this icon will instantly create an exact copy of your selected clip, placing it immediately adjacent to the original on the timeline. This saves a step compared to the copy and paste method. Once duplicated, you have full control over your new clip. You can easily drag it to any new position on your timeline, whether it's immediately after the original or much later in your project. Feel free to adjust its length, apply unique effects, or even change its speed without affecting the original. Remember to ensure smooth transitions between your clips for a professional and seamless viewing experience, enhancing your video's flow and impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.